Good day wherever you are and welcome to Intel Hub. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you find this video useful. So you've been wondering why your data plan finishes quickly anytime you connect your PC to your network? You will be able to fix this issue after watching this video. In some cases, you aren't charged extra, but your connection speed becomes slower until the billing cycle ends. Setting your network connection to metered in Windows can help you reduce the amount of data you send and receive. So this tweak prevents Windows from eating up too much bandwidth that greatly slows down your uploads and download speeds. So without wasting much time, let's start with the tutorial. So from here, from my taskbar icons, you can see that I'm already connected to my network named Kofi. So you can click on the Windows icon, click on the settings, and from there you see network and internet. You click on network and internet. Then from here you see that you see the name of your network that you are connected to. Right under it you have properties. You click on properties and then you scroll down. From here you see that I've already set mine to metered connection. So if yours is not set to metered connection, you just click on this button and then switch it on. That's all. You can just experience your internet speed boosting, and also it will decrease the rate at which you'll be charged. After setting your network to metered, you see that the rate at which you were charged before will reduce, so you have much internet speed and low data consumption. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe.